Yeah, hello, lecturer.
Yes, Kosal, go ahead.
Yes, because I just study in year one of master degree, so I want to ask you something that related to the abstract of research. So maybe my topic is not a good start to the quantitative research. So can you explain me some a bit about how to write abstract after we read the research paper lecture?
Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, I think, yeah, Kosal is in the first semester, but your question is um is suitable for those in semester 3. Why? Because abstracting, a research paper is super jobs. Super is working on a research proposal, and Machen is also working on research proposal, and the Kun exam also is working on the proposal. So they are the ones, Kasal, they are the one who have to abstract a lot of research articles. So to abstract, abstracting a research article is a priority for those working on a research proposal, research project. It is your responsibility to access related journal articles. Okay, you access them before you download. You need to do one thing before you download the article. You need to read the abstract uh, provided by the author. The author completed their research study, and they prepare 120 word abstract for you, to explore before you decide to buy, the article, to purchase the article, uh, or something like that. So basically, there are two abstracts. One, the abstract already prepared for you, for the readers, for the consumers of the research. That is the abstract that belong to the author, okay? To the author himself or herself, or the author themselves. That's the that is the abstract. When you review the literature, you need to prepare your own abstract, what we call abstracting. Okay, you need to do the abstracting of each journal article. So your abstract gonna be similar to the abstract already prepared by the author, but you don't plagiarize. You don't just copy the existing uh, abstract. That will not do you good. That will not do me good. That uh, in fact, take away the opportunity to become, a real champion in research, a real scholars in research. When we abstract each research article, we learn so much. We learn so much from, abstracting process, the abstracting process. When we abstract each research article, we're gonna abstract four components of each research article. One, what is the article? What is the research problem the author is, addressing, is trying to understand, right? Because any, research project start with an issues or a problem that matters to our society, to the world. So you're gonna summarize, the research problem, the concern the author try to address by conducting the research. Okay, so I would say it gonna take you a few sentences in order to summarize, specific concern, specific problem the author try to address. That's done. You paraphrase it, you summarize it. You don't directly quote. I guess possibly you don't directly quote. You're gonna summarize, one specific issues or concern the author try to address. That's number one. Number two, what are the research questions formulated by the researcher, and the research questions formulated in the study. Basically, if you don't paraphrase, you don't summarize, you're gonna copy paste, right? You're gonna copy paste the research question. If they ask 3 research questions, you know, in that journal article, you just copy paste the research question, and then you're gonna summarize the research methodology. Yeah, for the research methodology, you know, in the research community, research methodology is how, research problem, and research question, what. Right. So basically, research is about 2 things: what and how. Yeah, research problem, research question are what, the methodology are how. Uh, so when you summarize the methodology, possibly you're gonna look at only 3 things. Number 1, the sample size, how many participants, you know, participated in the study. 2, how did the author collect the data? Did he interview people? Did he use the questionnaire normally? And where? And who are they? Are they university students? Are they secondary school students? Are they, you know, pre-K children, for example? So, to my knowledge, it's gonna require you to, you know, paraphrase, to summarize in a couple of words, like possibly 20, 30 words for problem, copy paste research questions, and for methodology, I think 20 to 30 words. And then the exciting parts follow. You're gonna use your scanning and skimming skill, right? Scanning skill. You try to flip over the pages and go directly to the results section of the journal article. You're gonna revisit the research question 1, and then you ask yourself, what is the answer found by the researcher, and then summarize the answer to research question 1, summarize the answer to research question 2, summarize the answer to research question 3. I think that's done with the abstracting of the whole article. So for me, it's a little bit time consuming, but the opportunity to become so good at your topic is tremendous. So the opportunity is huge. You know, when it comes to you know, abstracting each research article, you have the opportunity to learn to critique, you know, the strengths and the weaknesses of the whole article yourself. You try to you know, look at the quality of other people research, using, you know, the research methodology concept that you have acquired over the years, you know, from the MA program, from your you know, education somewhere else. For example, you learn to critique the quality of the research questions already formulated and answer. You have the opportunity to critique the methodology adopted. You have, in particular, the quality of the research problem, the research question, the quality of the theoretical framework adopted in the study, and the quality of the methodology and research instrument, and also, you know, data analysis, whether the author used, you know, appropriate, you know, statistic in order to analyze each research question. So, you know, the opportunity to learn is enormous when it comes to, you know, abstracting each research article. You become the champion of research by doing comprehensive literature review. And there's no doubt, you know, it's easy to do our own research, but it's difficult, you know, to critique in a meaningful way, you know, other research article by the previous scholars. All right.
Yes, thank you very much, lecturer. Okay,
All right. All right.
I am clearer than before. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So when you abstract each research article, summarize the research problem, copy paste research question, summarize the research methodology, the research method, normally sample size, who the participant are, how the author collected the data, and where the research was conducted, and then the result for research question 1, result for question 2, result for question C, and the job is done. And when it comes to your own research, it's basically the same thing. Your own research start with a problem and turn the problem into questions and explore the literature and write up conceptual framework, theoretical framework, conceptual framework, previous studies, and propose your own methodology and collect data and analyze the data, discuss the findings, discuss the results, and provide meaningful implications. So it basically, the same process. All right.
Yeah, thank you very much, lecturer.
All right. Thank you.